Welcome to Excel Part 2. Today we'll be talking about different date formulas and different date formats as well. In this chart, Excel sheet, we can see there are different columns with the headings date in column A, and date in text format in column C, and start date in column E, and end date in column G. So there are certain difference, though all looks the same, all the dates looks the same. There is certain basic difference in this date format. So in column A, you can see that it is written in a short date format. So this is written in a short date format, and to check whether the date is accurately entered in the correct format, we click on the cell. The cell number is shown here in the name box A2, and then we go to the home and check here on the number format. The number format shows that this is in the date format. So we have entered the date in the correct format. When we come to column C, and we click on this, which is cell C2, and if we go and check to the number tab of the home ribbon, you can see that this cell, just C2, is in text format. Now we'll go to column E and cell E2, and we'll go back to the number tab and check whether it's in a date format, and yes, it is in a date format. And similarly, and this is in a custom format. So we are having different formats for each kind of for each of these columns. So let us know which is which date formats are valid in Excel. So formats in text formats are not valid in Excel. They cannot be used in any formulas during data analysis or during any date value functions. So it's very important to convert. If your date is in text format, it is important for you to convert into a date format, whether it can be a short date or it can be a long date. So what are the different types of date formats? To know that, we can just click on the drop down here, and we can see there are different formats here. For 3rd January 2021, it is showing the long date. So this is the long date, and if it is, if you want this to convert it into a short date, just click on this and it will be changed to a short date. So this is how you can change it from long date to short date. And if you can go back, if you want long date, just do the undo button, and these are the different types of dates. Now, if you want from the custom, if you want to go for a long date, see here you can see there's only 19 December 2021. It's a custom date that we have given. But the Excel will give you a long date which also includes the weekday. So it will say yes, it's 19 December 2021 is a Sunday. So it is showing me that this is called as a long date, but we want as a custom date, which we have previously done. How to go back to that? So go to the date number format, and then open the drop tab, go to more number formats, go to click on the custom button here, and then write the click on this, and you can see you're going to get the same thing. Click on DDM1 YYY, this format. So it will be shown in this sample box. Then click OK, and you will get your custom date. So this custom date and this short date and this normal date pattern, all these are valid in Excel. Now, if we want to extract a particular month from a date or a particular month number from a date, or it can be a day, like you can see in the other columns which we have mentioned: weekday, day name, day, month, year, etc. So these, how do we extract from this? So we have extracted from the end date column the month December, and the 19th December 2021 is the weekday of is 7, and the day name is Saturday, day is 19, month is 12, and year is 2021. So how do we from this formula, how do we extract the different days or names of months individually? So Excel uses different formats with a function called text function. To get these different formats, we have to use the text function. So when I click on cell number C20, you can see it is showing December, but in the formula bar, you can see there is a text formula which is telling that A20, that is a cell reference, which is this A20, this one, and uh, and the format is MMMM. So format is in month format, but it is in a shorter month format. That is only the first three letters of the month will be given as the output. So how do we do this formula? We'll click on this and we'll go back. Whenever you enter a text formula or any formula, you have to first press the equal to button. Then Excel understands that it is a formula. Now then type the word text, click on this option which it is showing, and then what does it show? So once you click on this, it is telling you to, the Excel will show you that it wants you to enter a value. That is what value you want to format. Yeah, and the formatting, whatever value you enter will be formatted into text, format text. So in what format of text you want? So the value here you want to convert as date. Okay, so take the cell reference of this date and you want to convert it into a text format that gives you the first three letters of the month. So in quotation marks, enter MMM and then close the quotation mark and close the parenthesis, press enter. So we've got the month, that is 19/12/2021, 12, which is December. Now in the same way, if we want to enter a month, the full month of this, okay, we'll change this to uh, 8. Okay, now we'll see that we're going to get the full month. Yeah. So how did we get this full month? Here we have got only the first three letters, and here we've got the full month, which is August. We have extracted it. So, but we are using the same text formula, but a slight difference in the formatting of the text. So we'll see what, double click on this, what format we have given. So we'll redo the formula again. So equal to, then do the text, write the text formula. So the drop down appears, click on this, and the value you need to enter, your cell reference, and you want the complete month name. So in quotation marks, write your format that you want in complete, which you have to write 4 M's and then close the quotation marks and the button. We can see we have extracted the month. Click on this and we can see that the full name of the month has come, which is August. Now here in cell number A24, that 30th November 2021 is written, and the number of the month is the output that you can see. And how did we get this formula or this output is by doing, let's do this formula again. So write the text formula, click on the drop down, enter the value, and then quotation mark. And if you want only the month number, you want only the month number, just put close the quotation marks and the parentheses, and then press enter. So you get 11. So what if we just press, we have it out here, there is M or a pattern of in this box. So let's enter M as well. So instead of writing we can just put M and see if we have a different result, a single M. And we press enter. So we're getting the same thing. So whether you enter M or double M, you're going to get the month number or the month name. And then if you want to know the day, like 16, you want to extract the day of the date. Okay, so 16 April 2020, 2018, and you want to extract the date. The same text formula is used. and enter the value, and you have to get the sorry, the quotation marks, enter the quotation marks and the format that you want. Always close the parenthesis and then hit enter. So here we are getting the data 60. So even if we change this DD to twig, okay, a single D, you will get the same result like the previous one. So you're getting 60. Now we're going to get the day, June 2nd, 2022. So which day of the week is it? So whether it's a Sunday or a Monday or whatever, and in a shorter format, the first three letters you're going to get. So you enter the text formula and then just click this shift and bracket, open parenthesis, and then enter the value, and then in the quotation marks, enter the format DD3. So you get this format and then enter. So you get Thursday here. So June. So this day is Thursday. So you're getting only the first 3 days. And if you want to get the complete, the entire day, so you have to just add one more day to the same formula, like into the text and opening parenthesis. For that you have to press Shift and the 9 button so that the upper bracket is selected, and then enter the value. Okay, then the quotation marks again, and now the format will enter as 4Ds here, and close the parenthesis and close the brackets, close the parenthesis. Now let's see the output. So here we have got like 1 July 2026 is Wednesday. So what about if you want only the year 2019, but you just want the year here? So similarly, you can use the text formula and then refer the cell and open quotation marks and then refer the what format you want it. The year is only the last two letters you want, the last two numbers. Just close the parenthesis and hit enter. So you're going to get yes 2019. So it is only showing year 19. So different Excel can give you a range of you can format the or extract the dates with this text formula, which is very useful by entering the different formats. So again, let's go for the complete year. If you want, you have to do the Y. I'll show you this again. Though it's a bit lengthy, but those people who do not know how to do this, it will be more helpful. If you already know, you can skip this part, go to the next formula. Now let's enter this format for the complete year, Y. And we will get the complete, close the parenthesis and then enter. So, okay, now these are, we are extracting a month or a day number, month number, day number, or week name in short format, or a day name in a short format, or a day name in a long format. So, and the year. Now we want it in different formats. Now we want the dates in different formats. We do that. And again, we will use the text formula here. But here we'll be using a new plus shift plus opening parenthesis. And then you have to enter the value again. And in the quotation marks, you have to put DD, comma, MM, comma, Y. And close the parenthesis. So let's see if we're going to get the same thing. Okay. Put this like, okay, we'll put the hyphen here and then enter. Okay, we have the comma here, M, and the hyphen, enter. So you've got the short date, which is already here, the same short date. Now, if you want to get the other format, like you want the complete day also, weekday, along with this, we'll see, uh, we'll enter the text formula here, and then open the parenthesis enter the value, and then start the formatting by putting the quotation, by opening the quotation marks, and okay, so let's put DDD, okay, then put comma, then now we'll do DD, then M, Y, and just close quotation marks, okay, double quotation marks it is. So we are getting the day as well. It is Tuesday and it is 20 July 2021. So this is how you get the weekday as well. Now, if you want the month again, so enter this text formula. Now enter the value, enter the text format here, which is MMMM, DDD, okay, and Y. So you're getting April 8, 2021. If you want the complete month, it's the same thing, but just you have to add a, okay, add a value, and the format will be just add a 4M, okay, so that you get the full month name, DD, Y. Partial marks and close the parenthesis. And you're getting complete month name March 6, 2020. So this is how you have. Okay, if you're taking a single number or DM, you're going to get the same thing. If you enter a single D or a single M or Y, so this is the last format. So let's complete with this. Sorry, we have to enter the equal to symbol, otherwise it will take it as a text. So this is the text formula. So we have to enter the equal to symbol and take this reference, and then put the quotation marks here, and then uh, the, okay, M, comma, Y, Y, and close the parenthesis. Okay. So you're getting this. So you're not getting the zeros, the 0, 1, 0, 7. You're getting just 1, 7, 20, 27. So this is how you get the different. You can extract the different dates or different date formats that you can write in different formats. I know this is a bit lengthy, but it's very important to in manipulating the dates when you are doing a data analysis or data, any kind of data formulas. It is very important that the different patterns that the Excel takes and the output that you get with these text formulas is very important. So please go through it again once you watch it. And in the next video, we will be talking about some more date formulas. And till then, thank you.